We are absolutely sure that a separate course on how to sneak food into class should be developed. Until then, we will show you new ideas of where to hide chips, sandwiches, and candies. Watch and take notes. Did your pencil lead get tired of writing and broke off? Let it recover using a sharpener. Take a sharpener and put cornflakes into the container for shavings. I open the sharpener and see crispy flakes instead of shavings. Bingo! I just wanted to chew on something. But Miss Smith needs to sharpen her pencils at a bad time. Well, now you can't tell the difference between the shaving and the cornflakes. Our breakfast has come to an end before we know it. And what about edible notebook decorations? I've got some. Take icing lace. Pull the sweet decorations onto a notebook cover and attach them using edible glue. The lace yummies are easy to take off the cover and fast to eat, unless the teacher notices something's wrong. My friend's gotten too hungry during the class. She's eating pages of her notebook. Put a notebook on a pile of flat bread and cut out pages. Unfasten a spring and take it out of the notebook. Put the cover on a piece of bread and mark holes for the spring. Punch the fastening holes. Put the front cover on the spring and then add the flatbread pages. Lastly, put on the back cover and fasten the spring of the notebook. I'm examining the notebook. There are flatbread pages in it. I'll take one. To make the flatbread softer, my friend wants to apply some glue. It's way too much. I don't need that. But she pours glue onto her bread, and it smells like cheese-flavored white glue. Pour a cheese sauce into a clean and thoroughly washed white glue bottle. I'd rather cover my flatbread with the cheese glue sauce as well. Tasty! Miss Smith comes running when she hears the sound of munching. She almost has a heart attack when she sees her students eating glue. Stay calm. It's just sauce. The teacher takes away our food as she always does. The cheese sauce turns out to be just a memory. On the plus side, Miss Smith has something to bite during the test now. Maybe in this way she will not notice that we are cheating. Sometimes you can find a surprise in a box of crayons. For example, a whole sandwich. Make a sausage and cheese sandwich. Take crayons out of the package. Cut the sandwich to fit the pack. Put it in and close the box. I take out my sandwich. It will help me survive this class. My friend wants to have a bite too. No way! Miss Smith may notice. The teacher hands out notebooks. Excellent! I swap a regular notebook for a special one that has a secret sheet protector in it. Mark the size of a notebook on a sheet protector. Cut out one side using scissors. We will put in chips through the opening. Cut the rest with a knife heated above a candle. The hot knife seals the plastic. Put the sheet protector into the notebook and attach it to the cover using superglue. Put flat chips inside. My secret sheet protector doesn't contain any spy information. On the other hand, it contains tasty and crispy chips. As for my friend, she's got a regular notebook. There are no crumbs in it. All right, I will share my chips with her, and when Miss Smith is looking at us, we pretend that we are busy writing. Math is a STEM discipline. You need your brain to work properly. That's why you can't definitely do without chocolate. We've sneaked in a bar of chocolate that looks like a calculator. Cut a bar of milk chocolate to make a square. Unwrap Frutella gummy candies and put them into a container. Put them into a microwave for 20 seconds. The melted candies are a flexible mass. Shape it into rectangle buttons and a calculator screen. While the substance is still warm, it sticks to the chocolate easily. Draw signs on buttons with a food marker. Break the calculator, gnaw a percent part, and I'll chew on fractions. Who knows, maybe after eating the calculator, we'll calculate in our mind faster.